What's going on, guys? It's Mike back with another video. Today is the day that we complete the KX250F build. We're going to be putting everything on: suspension, triple clamps, new air filter, new controls, everything. You guys are going to see it from start to finish. I'm super fired up to see this bike done. I'm sure you guys are too, who have been following the build. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, what you think of the bike when it's complete. So I'm going to be time-lapsing a lot of this, just to save time wise so you guys aren't watching a 40-minute video. So let's get to working on this thing and we'll get her all finished up. So just giving a little mid-video update. I didn't end up filming the bearing installed for the triple clamps or the triple clamps at all. It was just kind of a shit show trying to fit everything. I had new hardware that didn't fit, so I had to restore the old hardware to put it in for the bar mounts. So this is all on. Still gotta torque it down, but the heights are set perfectly. Hope you guys are enjoying the brown and silver theme that we have going on. It's a clutch cover, the new rear brake. Fitment's kind of wonky, I don't know. Kind of hits that, probably gonna bend it out a little bit. Here's the shifter as well, the new AS3 one. Got the foot pegs on. And yeah, so we're making pretty good progress. It's taking a little bit, but hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. fresh twin air filter here. We don't need that though. This is all we care about. Just kidding. It's probably dirty now. It's pretty good. You already know Maxima, best shit on the market. Let's oil this filter for you guys. I haven't done this in a while, brutal, but you know, we're getting there done. That's how you very terribly oil a brand new filter with dirty hands that weren't clean. So now, our awfully coated, non-even twin air filter. Grab the cage here. Don't even remember how this goes.
Emotional, damn.
So after a shit ton of time and a bloody nail, finally getting the twin air filter dropped in. First time, kind of nervous.
1,000 years later.
I think it goes like this. There she goes. 100%. Gotta get the bike done today. 100%. So we're out here. It's almost midnight. This does not look like a nice seal. Think it's okay?
Dialed.
Doesn't really seal at the top nice. Should be okay. So just a quick update. You saw we got the exhaust on. Air filters in, fresh air filter, fresh oil. Everything's bolted up nicely. Just got the new radiator, levers in. All bolted up nice and secured. So yeah, we're just hitting the home run here to the tail end of this. What's going on, guys? It's now day 2 of trying to fix this thing. Just have some fresh VP gas with me. I'm gonna end up bringing this thing up. And I was working on the bike till 1 in the morning last night. Ran into some complications. You know how it goes. You always find new things along the way that are unexpected. Losing hope on this thing a little bit. But yeah, so yesterday I was working on the bike till 1 in the morning. There's some stripped bolts well, not strip bolts, but actually strip threads on the plastics. And so the gas tank has to be retapped to fit the one side shroud, and it's not looking too good. So also the bracket where the one shroud bolt goes into, somebody completely punched it out into a bigger 1-inch hole. Looks like they used a hole saw or something. So that either has to be welded up with it and then a new hole drilled through and tapped and threaded or something. So I don't just want to zip tie plastics on a bike I've spent so much money and hard time to work on. That's just not how I roll. So gonna try to finish up this bike for you guys. But yeah, this thing's looking amazing. Just gonna head over to the shop now, see if we can fix these bolt holes for the plastics. Had to deal with the same thing on my last bike, so it shouldn't be that bad. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get there. So this is what we're working with for the one shroud. The threads in this second gas tank hole are essentially completely gone, as you can see. Shredded to bits. Nothing for the bolt to catch. And this mounting point here is supposed to be a small threaded hole, stock from factory, but somebody punched it out, so we're either gonna use a nut and a washer or figure something out for that. Also this here, this insert in the air box, when you thread the bolt through, spins with it. Just gotta figure out how to tighten that somehow. So this is how she looks after everything's put back together. I had to re-tap the bolts that I just showed you guys. Still missing one here I gotta put in. But at least the seat's on, everything's roughly together, torqued down. Still gotta adjust the handlebars a little bit. They're more to one side than the other. Let me know what you guys think about the color scheme. Still have a graphics kit to put on it eventually. Shout out to my dad for helping with me. He's the master of all skills and trades. Always helps us with anything we need. Any custom fab work or retapping strip things on cars and bikes. So shout out to him. He knows we love him. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I just need to put the grips on still. I also have the Tusk wireless hour meter, so that'll be put on, but I filmed as much as I could for you guys. My phone died a few times. But yeah, it's super hard to get everything on film sometimes. Like when I did the bearings, I had grease all over my hands. Completely forgot to film. Phone was running low, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just need to put fluids and gas in this thing, fresh oil, fresh coolant. She's gonna be ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, I forgot to say shout out to Tyler for helping me all last night till 1 in the morning. I appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys soon.